Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove inactive emails in Klaviyo and make your list smaller, cleaner, and healthier. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a segment of inactive subscribers. Go to your Klaviyo dashboard, click Lists and Segments, then click Create List or Segment. Choose Segment and name it Inactive Subscribers. Now add these conditions: opened email 0 times in the last 90 days, clicked email 0 times in the last 90 days, is not suppressed. This segment will show everyone who hasn't interacted with your emails recently. Step 2. Review the segment. Open the segment and see who is inactive. These people don't open or click your emails and can hurt your deliverability. It's important to clean them from your list to keep your email campaigns effective. Step 3. Suppress or delete inactive emails. Option 1. Suppress. Recommended. Select all contacts in the segment, click Manage Segment, then Suppress Emails. Suppressed contacts won't receive emails, won't count toward your bill, and it keeps your list safe for deliverability. Option 2. Delete. Permanent. Export the segment to CSV, go to Profiles, then Delete Profiles. Be careful, deleting is permanent. Step 4. Keep your list clean. Repeat this every 2 to 3 months to remove inactive emails. A clean list improves open rates, reduces spam complaints, and saves money on your email plan. And that's it. Now you know how to get rid of inactive emails in Klaviyo and make your list small and healthy.